Hello, Jamie here from Craftmania, and today we have something very exciting indeed. Now, I will be honest, we did open this thinking it was going to be something different that's going to be coming to a video shortly. So I have already had a sneaky, but I stopped at this point when I see what was in here. We have got brand new booklets. Now, we know that these are very on trend and that these are something you are going to absolutely adore and be pleased to see us stocking now here at Craftmania. We are looking at different sketchbooks, and as we go through these boxes, I think we're going to see a few different varieties. So we'll start digging in. Now, this, as I say, is brand new. It's just come out of the box. It's not even what we expected to find turn up today, but you're going to see lots of different books, lots of different styles. So we've got sketchbooks. These ones come with plain pages. These ones have got grid pages to them, so they're square 5x5 grids. In this one, we've got 90 gram paper. There's 96 sheets. In this one, there's 80 sheets. These are more of the same as the sketchbooks with the plain pages. And in these ones, you can see we've got some lovely colours. So if I turn them that way, as we stack these up, you might actually be able to pick your favourite colours. So now we've got the black ones coming out of the box as well. So same idea once again, 80 sheets in those plain pages. Those ones, of course, are 14 by 21 centimetres. But if you're looking at them and thinking, hang on a minute, have they got some small little dinky cute ones? We've got some small little dinky cute ones too. So let's bring these ones out. These ones are more of like an A6. So they are 10.5 centimetres by 14.8. And we've got those coming out in the same colours. So you've got that same stone shade, the same pink, and of course the black ones as well. Now that is just box one. What are we going to find in box two, I hear you? So once again with that one, 80 sheets once again. Let's have a look at what else can I tell you about those. They're 140 grams on your paperweight for those sketchbooks too. So you're going to be able to add in all your different mediums, make up some incredible looking journals and bits in those. Or of course do your sketching as well. Then these, we might have to break into these so I can actually see them. Wait there, I have some scissors here somewhere. Let's see if we can get into one of these. So these ones, of course, are new notepads as well. And I can't tell you from the outside, there's no little label on these. So let's see if we can, oh, there we go, we're in. So these ones are your A4 notebooks. Oh, look at all that plain blank pageness that we can be adding to, whether we're doodling, we're drawing, we're mixed mediaing, we're journaling, the choice is yours. But those are brand new as well. Then if we keep digging in, what else have we got in here? What are these ones? Oh, these are dot grid books. So these are the lovely stone grey. This time dot grids instead of when we looked at some of these earlier. They had the checker grids in them, didn't they? They had the squares. These ones dot grids instead. Let's carry on digging to see what we've got next. Oh, dot grids in black as well. They've just come out of the box. Then we've got the grid work in grey, so different colour for your different colour cover. Then we've got lined in grey. And then lastly, we have got the lined in black as well. So whether you want dot grid, whether you wish to have lined, or whether you wish to have the checks, or the grids, I should say. Let's have a little look, see if we can see more about these. I feel you might wish to see inside one, so let's dig into one of these, shall we? Let's see if we can get this open too, because I think it'd be nice for you to see the quality of the little booklets. See if we can break into the cover. There we go. We'll see what's on the inside of this, shall we? So these ones are the Normandic Life Unplugged. We're going to go with that pronunciation. I'm not convinced I'm right. They are, of course, a French brand that we're bringing to you here. So my pronunciation of English tends to be tricky, let alone any other countries, any other languages. So on the inside here, we've got a little pocket, great for placing bits into. Then you've got your ability to write on there if you wish to, tell a little bit about what's going on. And then as we go through there, you've got your contents for each of your pages. Now you can add in as much or as little as you wish to. Once again, you might choose to do some journaling in here. You might use it as a notebook. You might use it as an album. And then at the back, you've got a big pocket that again, you can keep bits and pieces in as well. Really lovely quality. I think you can see that. And then of course, you've got your pull through string as well to separate your pages. And you've got that elastic to wrap around the outside of it too, to make sure that that all stays together nice and neatly for you. Now, if we delve into one of the sketchbooks as well, because of course we've got those for you in the lined pages, as you see. You've also got them in the grid pages, and we've got them with the dot pages. But I don't know about you guys, I'd like to see inside one of these, because I think these look a bit yummy. So let's go for one of the black ones of these and have a look at the A5 one, shall we? So let's see if we can get into here. So these look like they've got some really lovely bright pages to them, which is great, because if we're sketching, if we're adding to them, we want to know that our colours are going to show up beautifully on the page, don't we? So let's have a dig in here. So these are acid free. There are 80 pages in each pad, and this size is 10.5 by 14.8 or 4.1 inches by 5.8 if you prefer. Then as we go through this, we've of course got our little cloth string as well. I think that's just going to tell us a little bit about it. Then if we carry on through, you can see you've got, oh, look at these. These are a lovely weight to work with as well. And they've kind of got, there's not a texture to them necessarily, but they've got a nice feel to them. Nice rounded corners to them as well. So the perfect little booklet to be able to add into and add your journaling into, once again, your sketches, whatever that may be, whether you're going to use it as a landscape or as a portrait booklet, or maybe a mix of both. And then once again, just like the previous one, you've got that elastic wrap round to make sure that that's going to stay nice and neat and held together for you. So these are our brand new books, whether you go for the sketchbook version, whether you go for the dots, the grids, or of course the lined pages. These are all now going to be in stock at Craftmania, in store and of course online. This is one of my faves. I rather like the look of this one too. Don't forget your big A4 ones as well. And I have a feeling this might be the beginning of our relationship in the sketchbook and paper pad book world. So you might wish to keep an eye on us as we add more and more into our collections, but this is a great place for you to start, and it would be lovely to know what you think of them. Now, as always, you can pop in store and see us. This is of course Craftmania, 5 Hewitt Road, Great Yarmouth, Norfolk. Or, of course, you can pop online to www.craftmaniacrafts.com, where you'll find all of these on the menu section. Or, of course, you can find them under the brand page. To keep life simple, we will, of course, pop up a link in the description to this video so you can find it nice and easily where these are going to be. And, as you know, they're new, so they'll be under the new section if you can't find where you want them to be. Any questions? If you can't find anything, just let us know in the comments. We'll do our best to help you. We stock now over 10,000 items at Craftmania, and that number is constantly growing. So as you can imagine, the website is bursting at the seams as well as the store. Now, when you are shopping with us online, if you spend over £15, your UK P&P is completely free. If you wish to upgrade to first class P&P to get it a little bit quicker, then you can do. That's a flat rate of £3.95. If you wish to spend under £15, then there's a flat rate of £2.95. But when you do spend over that £15 and you're happy with second class P&P, it is completely free of charge, which is the best way to be, isn't it? Who wants to spend out on P&P when we could be spending our pennies on more crafty goodness? Now, if you're watching this from around the world and thinking, I need one of those sketchbooks, we don't blame you, we understand. Our shipping internationally is capped at just £10. If we find the shipping cheaper, we'll refund the difference to you. If it costs more than £10, then here at Craftmania, we will actually pay that difference for you. And of course, on top of all of this lot, you also get your inner circle reward points too. So for every full £1 you spend, you're going to get a point on your online account, whether you shop with us in-store or online. And the more points you collect, the higher up the tiers you get, the bigger the rewards become. Again, any questions, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching a very exciting Claire Fontaine unboxing, and we look forward to seeing you again very, very soon with our next set of new goodies. Bye for now.